In this video, I'm going to show how to access the airworthiness directory information published in EASA website. The airworthiness directives that are published can be directly accessed through the URL https ad.easa.europa.eu, and which will take you to this page, which is basically the EASA safety publication tool. So this EASA safety publication tool is a web-based application developed to provide a searchable, printable list of airworthiness directives and safety information bulletin and conflict zone information bulletins, and which will allow you for the subscribed users to be directly automatically notified of new or the amended publications. So the main page is what we are seeing here. So the main page of this safety publication tool is where you can see the list of ADs sorted by the issue date in the descending order. The most recent ADs at the top of the list. The list displays all the ADs, including emergency ADs, proposed airworthiness directives, as well as EASA endorsed ADs and EADs issued by the foreign state of design authorities. On the top of this page, you can see MCI, which is mandatory continuing airworthiness information, SIB, which is safety information bulletin. Then you have another option for advanced search, and you have an option where you can download AD biweekly reports. Then you can export all this details into an Excel or PDF file. Then you have a place where you can register and where you can log in. And for example, if I want to search for an AD which is issued by EASA on Airbus aircraft, I can put a keyword search for Airbus, and which will take you to the Airbus page. So yes, we are in the Airbus page where it is sorting out all the ADs which is issued to the Airbus. So you can see from left to right, you can see the AD number, which is 2020-0165, and this is the issuing authority, and this shows the issue date when it is issued, and this is subject. And now this is something related to landing gear which they issued, and this is a type of aircraft which this AD is applicable to. And this is an effective date of this AD, and you will have a link where you can download the PDF version of this AD. So for example, I'll download this. Okay, now this will show you the details of this AD. This is the AD number, then issue date, the model which it is applicable, then the effective date of this AD, and to the TC number to which is applicable, and the ATA chapter, then the subject, then to the aircraft type, which all these are applicable. Before getting into this, I will show you something on the EASA AD website. Okay, now if you want to see a bit more detail on this AD number, you can click on the AD number, which will take you to the page where this information related to AD is available. So you can see the AD number again here, the issue date, and the type of aircraft which is applicable. So this will give an additional information about this AD, and where also you will get a link where you can download the PDF version of this document. So now I'll take you to AD biweekly reports. So this AD biweekly reports are published every second Tuesday, recapitulating all the ADs published of the past 2 weeks from the first Monday to the second Sunday. You can access the list of all AD biweekly reports by clicking on the AD biweekly reports, which I have shown just now, button on the top toolbar. Please note that the primary source of information for EASA AD remains the AD publishing tool, and that the biweekly report is provided as an additional service only. If you want to export the file of this publication, you can always download as an export list. It will come in a CSV, which you can take it as a separated in comma or separated in semicolon, or as a PDF file or in an XML file. So to download AD, you can directly download from here as well. On the right, what you're seeing here. And now once it is downloaded, as we have seen here, this AD has to undergo a technical assessment. So in the next video, I'll explain how to perform a document assessment in a technical perspective. Thank you.